How to post on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can post on Twitter app. Now it's very easy, so let me guide you through. All you'll need to do is open up the Twitter app, make sure you're logged into the account. Now once you're logged in, what you can do is to create a post or to post on Twitter. All you need to do is you can see a little plus feather icon at the bottom right corner of your screen above the messaging icon there. Simply tap on this blue plus feather icon that you can see, blue icon here, tap on it, and here you can see you'll be able to create your tweet. You can type in anything here. Now if you want to add an image to your post, what you can do is tap on the gallery icon that you can see on the screen beside the GIF icon, your gallery, and you'll be able to access your photos and videos once you allow it, and you can add a gallery. You can add your location by tapping on the location icon here. You can tweet your location, or what you can do is you can create a poll by tapping on the poll icon. So you can add GIF as well. Simply type in your post and add in pictures if you want, and then simply tap on tweet option that you can find at the top right corner of your screen, and you'll be able to post. So this way you can post on Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.